Hi everyone, let's learn how to graph the standard form of the quadratic equation. The standard form is written as ax squared plus bx plus c. The difference between the standard form and the vertex form, if you notice, is in the vertex form you usually don't see the b value. You don't usually see the x, the coefficient of x. Where we have a coefficient for x squared and a constant, but there is no middle term. So start by finding the value of a to decide the orientation of your graph. If a is greater than 0, the graph will open up. In the standard form, we will use a formula to find the x coordinate of the vertex or the axis of symmetry, which is x equals to negative b over 2a. b is the coefficient of x, which is negative 4 in this case. And when we substitute the values, we will get x equals to 1. The next step is to find f of 1. F of 1 means you take the value of x that you have calculated and substitute in the place of x in the equation. F of 1 would be 3, positive 3. When you calculate it, you can see my work here. It would be 3. Now I will take the value of the vertex that I have calculated, 1 and 3, and I'll write it in the center of the table. Once I write it in the center of the table, the middle of the table, I'll choose the neighboring values. 1, the neighbors are 0 and 2, negative 1 and positive 3. Now you will take those values again and substitute in the formula, which will give you f of 0 as 5, f of 2 also as 5, and for negative 1 and positive 3 also you will get the same values. And you can compare it because the parabola is symmetrical on two sides. So I'm going to write the table again. We'll start with the vertex 1, 3 and then write all the values that we just calculated. Start by graphing the vertex point first. Draw the axis of symmetry and then you can plot your coordinates. You will see that the point A and A prime, the point B and B prime are the reflection images. So let's briefly summarize it down. Let's summarize the steps. Find the value of A to decide the orientation. Find vertex by first using the formula x equals to negative b over 2a, which will give you the value for axis of symmetry. Then you will find the value of y by putting the value of axis of symmetry into the equation. You will use the vertex points and write them in the center of the table. Then you will choose the neighboring points. Use those points to find more output. And how do you decide on the x values from the vertex? Just choose the neighboring points. So if the vertex is 2 and 3, then you choose the neighbors to the left and right, which would be a neighbor to the left, which is 1, a neighbor to the right, which is 3. You put those values in the equation to find the output and you plot the graph using the outputs. I hope this was useful. I will see you later with my another video. Bye for now.